Shalom, everybody. It's me, Mama Amita, True Spirit of Christ, Feed the Sheep. Remember, we just recently did a fundraiser for donations for coats and socks for the more needy. It's cold outside, and we wanted to be able to donate coats, socks, and things of that nature for the community in this cold weather. So, I'm getting ready to go and do a little bit of shopping to find some of these items. You guys did it again. Just raised a nice amount of money for us to be able to help the community. Come go with me. We're going shopping. We just finished shopping. Thank you guys for coming along with me. We had a lot of success, great success finding things. I'm going to show you everything I came with. True Spirit of Christ, Feed feed the sheep. True Spirit of Christ is the place where we're building a better community, one family at a time. Shalom.